Singapore is renowned for its business-friendly environment, offering several advantages for conducting business. The city-state benefits from an appealing tax system, an extensive network of tax treaties, a readily available pool of skilled professionals, geopolitical stability, easy access to financing, global connectivity, and well-developed infrastructure. Furthermore, Singapore boasts a significant Indian diaspora, which has led to the establishment of numerous Indian businesses in the country. As per the Indian High Commission in Singapore, approximately 9,000 Indian companies are registered there. Prominent Indian corporations such as Tata Group, Mahindra and Mahindra, Reliance Industries, AD Group, Infosys, and Wipro have established their presence in Singapore. The trade relationship between India and Singapore has thrived over the years. During the fiscal year 2021 to 2022, bilateral trade between the two countries amounted to USD 30.11 billion. Singapore holds the position of India's sixth largest trade partner, accounting for 2.9% of India's overall trade. Simultaneously, India stands as Singapore's 12th largest trade partner, contributing to 2.3% of Singapore's overall trade. In 2021, the inflow of foreign direct investment from India to Singapore amounted to USD 18.41 billion, while FDI equity inflows from Singapore to India reached USD 15.87 billion during the fiscal year 2021 to 2022. Singapore holds the position of the second largest investor in India, with a cumulative investment of USD 140.99 billion from April 2000 to September 2022. The key sectors that attract FDI equity inflows from Singapore include services, computer software and hardware, trading, telecommunications, and drugs and pharmaceuticals. The manufacturing sector is also poised to attract more investments from Singapore. Since 2014, India has been successful in attracting more manufacturers to establish their operations in the country, thanks to the Make in India campaign launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This campaign aimed to position India as a prominent player in global manufacturing, attracting new technology, capital, and generating millions of jobs. The Indian government has taken steps to simplify the business environment for foreign companies, leading to significant improvements. From 2016 to 2019, India jumped from the 130th to the 63rd position in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index, reflecting the country's efforts to facilitate foreign operations. India aims to increase the manufacturing sectors, contributing to the gross domestic product to 25% by 2025 compared to the current 16%. In recent times, India has successfully attracted companies like Apple, Samsung, Kia, Boeing, Siemens, and Toshiba, encouraging them to shift a significant portion of their manufacturing activities to India. Some of these relocations have been prompted by disruptions in the global supply chain due to the COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical tensions. Singaporean companies, which previously relied on neighboring Southeast Asian countries and China for manufacturing their products, now seem to be following a similar trend. Some Singaporean firms, particularly contract manufacturers catering to multinational corporations, have relocated their operations to India. To facilitate this shift, Enterprise Singapore, a statutory board under the Ministry of Trade and Industry of the Singaporean government, has played a vital role. Enterprise SG has been actively assisting Singaporean companies in establishing their presence in India, enabling them to take advantage of favorable manufacturing policies and the overall economic outlook in India. Enterprise Singapore's primary objective is to support the growth of small and medium enterprises in Singapore. It focuses on enhancing their capabilities, fostering innovation, facilitating transformation, and facilitating international expansion. By engaging the Indian opportunities, Singaporean companies can tap into the potential benefits offered by India's conducive environment for manufacturers. In the year 2022, there was a significant increase of over 40% in the number of Singaporean companies' collaboration with Enterprise SG to venture into the Indian market compared to the pre-pandemic year of 2019. Among these companies, manufacturing was one of the top 3 sectors represented alongside information and communications and professional services. One Singaporean firm that has benefited from the growing presence of multinational corporations in India is the Hub Engineering, which operates through its subsidiary Reliable Hubs Engineering India. Reliable Hubs Engineering specializes in manufacturing and distributing equipment for retail and food services, such as shelves and billing counters. They supply their products to various renowned brands, including foreign entrants like Mr. DIY, Skechers, and Miniso. The company's turnover has experienced a remarkable increase, nearly multiplying by 5 from 148 million rupees in 2018 to 723 million rupees in 2022. This growth is a testament to the positive impact of their operations and the opportunities presented by the expanding market in India. In order to promote domestic manufacturing, the Indian government has implemented high customs duties on imported components. This policy incentivizes manufacturers based in India to seek local suppliers, thereby reducing costs. Enterprise SG has collaborated with Indian agencies, including the Confederation of Indian Industry, to assist Singaporean firms in capitalizing on opportunities for expansion in India.